The open road meets ultimate luxury in the brand new ARI Legacy II sleeper truck. Custom metallic paint shines bright, showcasing deep layers of flawless industrial beauty and modern design. A massive frame measures incredible length, easily dwarfing any standard commercial cab on the highway. Bright lights power on, slicing through the dark evening with absolute surgical precision and power. Heavy stainless steel storage boxes sit perfectly aligned along the sleek aerodynamic lower side panels. Advanced air suspension systems level the massive frame, offering unmatched stability for the entire cabin. Integrated solar panels span the massive roof, capturing clean energy to power the luxury interior. Standing proud at the front, this machine looks like a private jet built for roads. A heavy chrome handle clicks open, revealing the gateway to an unmatched mobile luxury experience. Soft blue ambient lighting illuminates the secure entry steps, welcoming drivers into their private sanctuary. Moving inside, rugged metal gives way to rich textures and premium plush interior design elements. Beautiful diamond-stitched leather panels feature elegant wood accents, creating a truly sophisticated interior vibe. Looking back from the front seat, a long hardwood corridor reveals massive living space inside. Thick weather seals block all outside noise, creating absolute silence within the spacious luxury cabin. With one simple touch, motorized blackout shades glide down, ensuring complete privacy from the world. The driver cockpit transitions smoothly into a modern living space, feeling just like a home. Warm glowing lights guide your path along the durable floor toward the stunning modern kitchen. This mobile kitchen features a premium convection microwave and a sleek dual-burner induction cooktop. A tall brushed nickel faucet stands elegantly over a very deep black composite granite sink. Smooth, solid surface countertops mimic fine marble, bringing luxury home aesthetics to the open highway. Soft, close drawers slide open easily to reveal perfectly organized storage for your premium cutlery. A massive residential refrigerator seamlessly blends into the custom-built cabinetry for maximum food storage. Advanced induction technology heats pans quickly while keeping the surrounding cooking space cool and safe. The minimalist glass control panel features bright backlit icons for very simple and easy operation. Custom overhead racks keep delicate glassware and essential spices secure while the truck is moving. Warm lights glow under the beautiful cabinets, creating a perfect atmosphere for preparing evening meals. The central lounge area provides a spacious, deep-seated leather dinette for 4 comfortable adults. Cream-colored Italian leather features beautiful contrast, stitching offering incredible comfort after a long drive. A motorized table smoothly lowers down, transforming the seating area into an extra resting space. Large tinted windows feature built-in screens, allowing fresh air while blocking harsh sunlight outside. Convenient cup holders and fast wireless charging pads sit perfectly integrated into the comfortable armrests. Durable hardwood floors feature an industrial-strength clear coat to handle heavy daily foot traffic. A smart wall panel allows quick adjustments, shifting the room lighting into a relaxing mood. Premium surround sound speakers hide seamlessly inside the ceiling corners, delivering a cinematic audio experience. The incredible ceiling height creates an open, airy feeling rarely found inside any commercial vehicle. The rear section reveals a permanent, massive bed, providing ultimate comfort for weary traveling drivers. Premium memory foam rests under expensive cotton sheets, ensuring a perfect night of deep sleep. An oversized plush headboard features convenient reading lights and modern charging ports for your devices. A massive smart television rises quietly from a hidden motorized cabinet at the bed foot. Beautiful overhead storage cabinets feature frosted glass doors and gentle, soft, close metal hinge mechanisms. Individual climate vents sit right above the pillows, offering personalized temperature control during the night. Integrated massage functions within the mattress relieve tight back muscles after long hours of driving. The hidden bedside nightstand includes a secure safe and special spaces for medical breathing machines. Tiny fiber optic lights twinkle across the dark ceiling, mimicking a beautiful, clear, starry night. Opening the solid bathroom door reveals a surprisingly large shower lined with waterproof luxury panels. A premium rain shower head delivers a relaxing cascade of hot water against gray walls. The real porcelain toilet brings standard residential comfort into the mobile living space without compromise. Beautiful teak wood floor mats provide a secure, slip-resistant surface inside the warm shower. The mirrored vanity cabinet features advanced heating technology to completely prevent any annoying steam buildup. Recessed glowing wall shelves keep all your premium soaps and luxury bath products perfectly organized. A silent but highly powerful exhaust fan quickly pulls all excess moisture outside the cabin. Digital monitor panels display massive freshwater capacities, allowing for long, luxurious daily hot showers. Closed doors hide the spacious bathroom seamlessly within the sleek wooden walls of the hallway. A sleek digital tablet serves as the ultimate command center for the entire luxury sleeper. Bright screens display live power levels from the massive lithium battery bank and solar panels. Simple touch controls allow instant changes to the advanced multi-zone climate heating and cooling. A specialized satellite dish mounted on the roof automatically tracks signals for fast internet speeds. A hidden pull-out desk creates a perfect mobile office with high-speed data connections. Behind a sleek access panel, the powerful diesel heater runs quietly, keeping the cabin warm. Smart security cameras provide a full view around the vehicle for total peace of mind. Glowing blue lights on the main inverter confirm clean, steady power for all sensitive electronics. Smart home automation seamlessly integrates incredible modern technology into this rugged mobile commercial driving machine. Advanced lighting systems effortlessly shift the cabin atmosphere from bright daylight to warm evening tones. Hidden light strips inside the ceiling coves cast a very soft and beautiful shadowless glow. Flexible reading lamps feature natural color bulbs protecting your eyes during long late-night reads. Exterior puddle lights safely illuminate the dark ground, projecting a bright logo near the door. Gentle floor lights stay active all night, allowing safe, easy movement without waking sleeping passengers. Colorful accent lights glow softly behind the television and shine across the sleek kitchen walls. Red dashboard lights from the driving cab reflect beautifully against the thick glass divider window. High-tech smart glass windows instantly tint completely dark with just one simple button press. Glowing brightly against the dark night, this incredible truck resembles a luxury city penthouse suite. A tall wardrobe closet easily holds several thick winter jackets and neatly pressed business suits. Built-in racks keep dirty shoes separated, while special compartments hide all the messy laundry. Aircraft-style overhead bins run the entire length, providing massive space for daily personal items. Heavy exterior storage doors open to reveal sliding metal trays holding massive tools and parts. Thick insulated water pipes and neat electrical wires highlight the incredible premium engineering build quality. Heavy-duty cabinet latches stay completely locked and silent even on very rough, bumpy roads. Lifting the large bed reveals a massive hidden storage compartment perfect for huge seasonal items. A central vacuum hose snaps quickly into the wall outlet, making floor cleaning incredibly easy. Every single inch of this amazing truck serves a purpose, maximizing utility without losing luxury. Sitting in the premium driver's seat provides a stunning panoramic view of the early sunrise. A calm, confident smile reflects the joy of driving, while living inside absolute pure luxury. Polished metal shines brightly under the rising sun as this incredible machine hits the road. Gliding smoothly through mountain roads, this massive silver truck dominates the beautiful wild landscape easily. Looking out the back window shows the long open highway fading away into the distance. Custom chrome wheels spin fast, while the center logo cap remains perfectly still and readable. Passing normal commercial trucks quickly reveals the staggering massive size difference of this luxury beast. Morning sunlight floods the beautiful interior, highlighting the incredible achievement of modern mobile living design. This is not just a commercial vehicle, because the open road is now your suite.